When we compare Vedics and Mamaearth, both are made with natural ingredients. But the point is that Vedic products are customized for every customer, and unlike the Mamaearth products which are the same for everyone. When we compare Vedics and Mamaearth, both are made with natural ingredients. But the point is that Vedics products are customized for every customer by considering the person Prakritik. Unlike the Mamaearth product which are the same for everyone. So Mamaearth products are made with natural plant-based or man-made ingredients. Mamaearth is certified as the Asia's first brand with MedSafe certified products. Both the brands, Vedics and Mamaearth, won several awards in different categories. So we talking about both comparison Vedics and Mamaearth. So firstly we talk about you can use the product of Mamaearth by simply selecting the product which is relevant to your problem or requirement. When you come to Vedics, you should answer some questions to the product of Vedics. This is because they will customize the product for you, and the questions they asked are to find out from the doshas of you. Depending upon the doshas and your problem, the product will be customized for you and will be suggested to you according to it. Yes, buying product is some form Vedics takes time, as there will be a long questionnaire sessions, which is actually a good and innovative thoughts. By considering all your answer, they customize the product by their experts. And if I am talking about Mamaearth, you can easily select the product by your own and can buy it. But finding your dosha and finding the suitable product for you, according that only for you, interesting right now. This is what the thing you will find in Vedics. Every customer gets a customized product formulated by their team. So let's compare the difference between if I'm talking about Mamaearth ingredients, it's a natural, plant-based or man-made. If I am talking about Vedics, it's 100% natural and Ayurvedic ingredients. If I am talking about Mamaearth product, plant-based or man-made. If I am talking about Vedics, it's 100% natural and Ayurvedic ingredients. If I am talking about Mamaearth products, same for everyone, relevant to their problem or requirements. But I am talking about Vedics, it's only customized for everyone. If I am talking about Mamaearth categories involved, it's a baby, face, hair, beauty and skin care products. If I am talking about Vedics, hair, skin and immunity. It's depend on your doshas. It's customized for you only. If I am talking about platform to buy, so online shopping sites like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. are available Mamaearth, but I am talking about Vedics products. You can be bought only in the official website vedics.com. Both the products are brand, and Mamaearth and Vedics are safer for everyone. You should not worry about any side effects. They are totally free from side effects. The products made by them are toxin free and natural. They don't use any chemicals in their products, so you can easily buy it, use it. And if I'm talking about the tip of the day, remember, Ayurvedic products does not work properly if your dosha does not suit the Ayurvedic ingredients present in that product. So choosing Vedic is the best options for all doshas person. Choosing one brand for them will be very difficult, Mamaearth and Vedix, both brands give good results of their product. Selecting Mamaearth products will be easy because Vedix conducts a long questionnaire quiz by which you will be fed up answering the questions. But if you have patience, it will be worth answering the questions. You will find the perfect product of your problem with Vedix, which will be safe to use. Yes, of course, Mamaearth products have many varieties to select, but the customizing specific formula and getting it delivered is a special thing, and choosing products according to your doshas shows a lot of significant difference and good results. The results of Vedic products I'm always share. If you have not seen those videos, so please check my description box. We will give you link in description box. Recently I am using a Mamaearth and also share the results. So when compared to Mamaearth and Vedix, I really, if I'm giving stars for Vedix for 5 out of 5, it's a 4, and Vedix it's out of 5 to 3, and Mamaearth out of 5 it's a 4. It's a good result. Actually it's worked fast, so I'm go for Vedix, not for Mamaearth, because I'm already used 1 year Vedix. So it's so long time, and I'm loving it. The result of Vedix products are more appreciated when compared to Mamaearth products, and we observed good results from Vedix compared to Mamaearth. Using complete natural and Ayurvedic product is very good for us, and the result also will be faster. Vedix provides such a good and natural product with their Ayurvedic formulations and ingredients made by Ayurvedic experts and doctors. So if you are very specific about your problem, then going with Vedix product is a good suggestion from us, as their products are customized for specific problems and you won't regret your choice.